Welcome to the online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Let us start our revision for the lesson 4, Saving the Environment. First of all, what is environment? Yes, the surroundings in which we live. It includes both living things and non-living things. Can you see the examples? The environment includes both natural features and human-made things. Natural features include landforms, forests, and animals. Human-made features include houses, bridges, vehicles, roads, and parks. Our environment gets polluted by different human activities. What is pollution? Yes, the addition of harmful substances to air, soil or water is called pollution. Children, pollution are of three types. They are land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. Pollution on land is called land pollution. Pollution in water is known as water pollution and pollution in air is known as air pollution. Land pollution. What are the major causes of land pollution? First one is deforestation. That means cutting down of large number of trees in forest. Next is uses of fertilizers by the farmers. Then mining of land for minerals. Then overflowing of untreated sewage and piling up of garbage and human waste. These are the different causes. Next, effect of land pollution. Land pollution destroys the soil. As a result, the soil can no longer be used to grow crops. It also makes the soil harmful. If we consume the crops grown in this soil, we can develop serious health problems. Next is water pollution. What are the major causes of water pollution? Yes, household waste. That means waste from our house, waste from the factories, and washing clothes and taking bath in water bodies. These all are the different causes of water pollution. Next, let's discuss about the effect of water pollution. Polluted water can harm the animals living in it. That is the first effect. Then causes diseases like cholera and dysentery in humans. Which are the two diseases caused due to water pollution? Yes, cholera and dysentery. Very good. Next is air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution? Yes, smoke from vehicles and factories. Then what will be the effect of this air pollution? Yes, breathing problems and skin diseases. Very good. Children, we should protect our environment. How can we protect our environment? Yes, we need to follow some steps. First one, do not litter the street. That means don't put any waste on the street. Then do not waste papers. We should cut more trees to make paper. So if we reduce the use of paper, we need not cut more trees. Then we should recycle paper, glass and plastic. Then plastic is an important cause of pollution, so avoid the use of plastic as much as we can. Last one, plant trees. When we all start caring for our environment, we can create a beautiful and pollution-free world for all living beings. So children, we have completed the revision for 3 lessons. Lesson 2, 3 and 4. Hope all are thorough with these 3 lessons. Next we will do the revision test. Are you ready? Okay. Then study lesson 2 for the next class. Children, we'll meet in our next class. Until then, take care and goodbye.